I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering and preparing the watch. Plug it in and charge at least 30 minutes so the battery won't interrupt pairing. Once done, install the Noise Fit app on your phone and enable Bluetooth and location. This lets the devices discover each other. Make sure to remove any protective film that blocks sensors. Press and hold the side button for 3 to 5 seconds to boot. You'll see a welcome screen that confirms the watch is ready for the next step. Now pair and configure the watch. Open Noise Fit, tap Add Device, and choose Noise Smart Watch Round from the list. You'll see a pairing code. Look at both screens and confirm the code so the connection is secure. Grant notification and health permissions so calls, messages, and sensor data flow to the app. Sync time and language automatically. Then pick a watch face and set activity goals like steps and sleep targets. This personalizes tracking and ensures accurate daily. Finish by learning everyday workflows and a quick fix. You should wear the watch snugly above your wrist bone to get reliable heart rate and SpO2 data. Loose fit causes noise. Use the gesture wake and quick settings to check metrics fast and access apps or workouts from the shortcuts to save time. If syncing stalls, toggle Bluetooth on your phone, force close the Noise Fit app, and restart both devices. That resolves most connectivity issues. If problems persist, repair the watch in app settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.